What's going on with the truckers? Before you think about going on the turnpike today, either you're heading into Florida or going out of Florida, it's really lit up today, man. The bears are everywhere. I'm just letting you guys know. The trucker himself just told me it's hot right now out on the turnpike near Atlantic in South Florida. So let me drive an hour out there just to triple check if it's true or not, because I want to give you guys accurate information. I appreciate all the support, mother truckers. So tomorrow we're doing a Christmas special. If you grab a mother trucker hat or shirt, I'm gonna put in an extra gift in there for you. So that's just good for tomorrow. So get ready to buy that merch tomorrow, man. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you. I love you. And, thank you for allowing me to have this opportunity to just help truck drivers. They say they do these blitz for safety education, but let's keep it real. Christmas is coming along, and this state wants their money. Mother truckers, if you're in a spot right now with a lot of bears and it's hot out and lit up at the way stations or on the side of the turnpikes or highways, hey, comment down below, let us know to help out other mother truckers. All right, drivers, so I'm headed on the turnpike right now. Yep, damn, we got one out. Damn, okay. So we got some good information here. Looks like they pulled over a box truck just right now. That's one. Yep, got another one right there, yep. Wow. 1, 2, 3. I gotta move over. You got one just waiting here today. They're pulling over cars too. We got no one just hanging out. Like you can see right there. They're pulling over everybody, people. Smart man. Checking on his load. Yeah, it's heavy today. State troopers everywhere, mother truckers. They're heavy, man. They're heavy. I'm telling y'all, they're heavy today, man. They're checking on all semi-trucks. All state troopers in Florida, man. They're out on the turnpikes today. Signaling and coming back onto the turnpike. They got the whole team out today. Yeah, so what they're doing is they're signaling what trucks they want to pull over. So that's what they're doing today. So one guy will stand there and sit there right there and then radio out what truck they want them to pull over. Appreciate the subscriber. Appreciate my state trooper friend for letting me know that they got this blitz going on right now. Mother truckers, hopefully you value this content. I'm editing it. I'm trying to get it out as fast as possible so that you guys just stay in the know. Mother truckers, if this lit anywhere else across America, please comment down below. I appreciate you guys so much. Subscribe, like, man, and we'll catch you back in a bit.